student, myself KR Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 9 subject SST Geography chapter 2 physical features. Here we will discuss very important points: folding, what is folding, what is faulting, what is volcanic activity. So here we will see one by one. Folding, basically folding, when the earth crust is pushed up from its sides, result in mountain building. When the earth crust have been pushed up from its sides, thereafter it have been formed a mountain building. So that process is called the folding process. Faulting, when tension and compression associated with the plate movement is so great that block of rocks fracture or break apart, result in earthquake. When different types of tension and compression both have been associated with the plate movement, thereafter different types of block of rock fracture have been blocked. Thereafter different types of earthquakes and other things have been formed. Thereafter, volcanic activity, due to the movement of volcanic plate, both convergent and divergent boundary volcanic eruptions occur due to the outflow of hot magma. Different types of volcanic activities, different types of plates, both in the form of convergent, both have been coming together and moving from moving from far away. So they have been different types of volcanic eruption have been generated, and that result on the outflow of the magma will be coming out, and that have been the this process is called the volcanic activity. India was initially part of a Gondwana land. At initial time, India is a part of a Gondwana land, and how is a part of the Indian plate, and how it will be a part of Indian plate. So Gondwana to Indian plate, how the process have been changed. So it will be depend on the different types of plates and other things. Thereafter, due to tectonic plates movement, it lead to the drifting of the Indo-Australian plate after being separated from Gondwana land towards now north. So the tectonic plates move from one place to another, and the drifting process will be in present in the Indo-Australian plate, and thereafter it will be separated from the Gondwana land towards the now north. So this will be the process. Okay, thank you very much.